Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to talk about if you've ever asked yourself the question, what is special about stained glass? Now, stained glass kind of has two different things that are special about it, if you ask me. One of them is sort of practical, and the other one is more magical. The first practical thing is that as a window, you can't see through it. So you can have your privacy with stained glass, but at the same time, it lets the light in lots of different colors. And the second thing is more about the magical aura that you get from stained glass, with the different shapes, the different colors, the different patterns, and the different ways that the light plays on all of these different things can put you in a place of absolute magic and mystery. That's what I love about stained glass. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.